Even with 5,000 followers on Facebook, I was able to monetize my Facebook account, as you can see right here. And you might be wondering, how did I do it? I didn't monetize this page with advertisement because I'm not consistent with it, okay? I have strength in creating videos because I have other businesses that I run alongside with my team, okay? So that's why I decided to monetize it with this particular strategy, which I'm going to show you right here in this very video. If you come over to Facebook says you can actually monetize your account as well by adding custom links and promo code to your affiliate content on Facebook, okay? And this one is not ads on video or ads on reel, and you don't just promote anyhow affiliate links, you promote the ones that Facebook support. All right, so if you scroll down a little bit right here, they said here you also have the option to add a custom link name and promotion code when you add an affiliate link to your Facebook content. Supported affiliate programs include Amazon.com and Shopee.com. all right, so the Amazon.com is this particular one right here, which is Amazon Associate, and the Shopee.com is this one right here, which is Shopee.com. all right, here they said here you only create your reels, your post, your photo, your text, anything, anyhow you want to do it. Just create something. You shall create something on Facebook, okay? Like you want to make a post, whether it's a video post, write up, anyhow. Then the next to the setting, if you go to the setting section, tap monetization, then you add product link, okay? So if your product link is not coming from these two platforms, they're not going to accept it, okay? So it's going to be invalid, okay? So you add the product link, you save it alongside your post, okay? And when you make that post, people are going to be seeing that Facebook post, and also the targeted countries and targeted audience you selected for the product can actually see the link, and whenever they click on the link and purchase from your link from Amazon or Shopee, you're going to simply get some commission, right, from this very platform, okay? And your commission can actually go to your Facebook page. For you to get started, you need to have a Facebook page, okay? So once you have a Facebook page ready, the next you need to do is simply go ahead and get your website. Make sure you have a website right here, okay? When you come over to your website, go ahead and install, go to your plugins, then click on this add new plugins, all right? Set for auto affiliate. All right, so when you search for that, go ahead and install this plugin. This is the plugin right here. This particular plugin helps you to insert affiliate links on your blog website, okay, automatically, even without you doing it, okay? So I've already made a full detailed tutorial on how to set it up with this particular video. Just go over to your YouTube, just search for Mr. John Francis auto affiliate link, okay? And you're going to simply see this particular video. This video is going to simply help you to set up this particular plugin. The next you need to do right and simply go ahead and pick up some product you want to go for, okay? So you just have to make sure you register on Shopee.com and also on Amazon Associate. And for you to register on Shopee, search for Shopee affiliate program on your browser, then come over to this section, click on it. This is the main affiliate platform, okay? Just click on enter, then select your language, English. Then you have to simply add your name, your password, or you sign up from this very section, okay? We have 3 simple steps, okay, for our commission. The first step is to find the product, then you share the product, then you get the orders. All right, that's basically how this thing works, okay? And you have to simply register as an individual for your account type, okay? So there are a lot of social media platforms you can connect. You can connect Instagram, you can connect TikTok, YouTube, X, Facebook, and other. All right, just go ahead and connect any of your social media account, okay? Then you click on the submit button. Just once you fill in all the details, your new account will be created for you. You can see right here they said, yeah, congratulations, your Shopee affiliate program has been created. And you can simply go ahead and click on the continue button, okay? So you can add this tax information later. All right, so you can add it later. It doesn't stop you from promoting any product, okay? So once you're on this session, the next you need to do right now is simply go ahead and pick some offers and also start creating content on your Facebook page. You can see the offers available, you can see the commission rate and all of that, okay? These are products you can actually go ahead and promote. So you can simply go ahead and pick those ones with higher commission. All right, for you to promote this, you just need to click on this get link, okay? So when you click on that, you're going to see the link right here. So you can actually go ahead and click on this copy button, okay? Or you click on this copy button. All right, so this is the affiliate link right here. This is the affiliate link. So what you need to do, once you get your link, just grab it, paste it on your Google Doc, okay? So these are the things you're going to simply be doing, okay? Remember, you can use 10 posts to promote one particular product, so you don't have to be going to the platform to copy the link every single time, okay? So you just have to make sure you paste everything on your Google Doc, Okay, so if I go to my Google Doc right now, so I've already pasted it right now, I have to simply save it. Okay, you can see this is where all my affiliate links are. So if I come back here to make sure it is saved. Okay, so these are the links right here. Okay, so I just have a few links on this very page. Okay, so I'm going to simply go back to my mobile phone right now and show you how to do this. So I'm on my Google Doc on my mobile phone, so I have to simply copy this particular link just like this. When you copy it, just go back to your mobile phone, go to your Play Store, make sure you set for Facebook, normal Facebook, not Facebook Lite. Okay, just set for Facebook, and you make sure you update your Facebook to the latest version. Okay, I already have the latest version, but this is the newest version, so I don't need to do this. Okay, because it's already available on my own page. Okay, so when you come over to this section, just go back to your Facebook page. Okay, so this is my page right now. This is the same page I showed you. This page, as little as it is, as small as it is already monetized. And I didn't monetize it with advertisements. I don't even like showing advertisement because this page, I'm not about publishing videos all the time just to grow the page. I don't have such time. Remember, you can also go ahead and follow us on our Instagram, on our WhatsApp channel, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, and all of that. Okay, so that's by the way. So for instance, for me to promote this product, I just need to, this is the newest post I just made. Just come over to your page, then select your photo right here, anything you want to post. Okay, for instance, I just have to select one particular thing. Okay, so these are the videos I shot today inside my vehicle the time I got back from my gym. Okay, so I just got back from the gym. I decided to shoot this video. So let's say I want to post this again. Okay, then I have to simply add something. Okay, so remember, this is just a normal post. So once you add that, click on the done button, then click on the next. Okay, then you come over to monetization. You can see right here my monetization is open. Then you can select to share this to your group. You can select brand partnership, where you tag partners, your brand, and all of that. Okay, so I don't want to tag anybody, I just want to add my product link. Okay, go to monetization. You can see we have add product link, make it easy for affiliate to view your shop and all of that. Okay, then once you add that, you just add the URL here. You can add your link name, let's say Shopee shop now or anything. All right, it's optional. Okay, so existing promo code, it is optional as well. Then add paid partnership label. Let your audience know that you can earn commission by posting the link. Okay, so this is very good. It's just for you to add a disclaimer. Okay, click to add a paid partnership. Okay, can see why I have already added it. Then click on the save button. Okay, then click on the post button. All right, so this content is going to be posted right now. So you can see right here we have paid partnership right here. Okay, so that particular link, only Facebook is going to simply be promoting it to the right audience. Okay, with this strategy you can make sales to that particular product, and the best aspect of this is to make sure you include your affiliate link on your comment section. Okay, so that's where your blog comes in. All right, you have to simply go ahead and use your blog to generate a review article, okay, of that particular product you're promoting, and use this to add the links. All right, when you add that, then copy your blog post link. Okay, then add it at the comment section of your post. Okay, so that people can actually click on that as well to read and also engage with your content. They're going to simply purchase and you get your commission. That's basically how this thing works. Okay, so there's no two ways about it, and you can do this on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram. Simply go ahead and explore other stuff right here on this very platform to get more other products, your type of product in your niche. And if you come over to Amazon, you can use Amazon Stripe right here to grab your own product. Okay, then go over to your Amazon website and search for any product you want to promote. Then you're going to simply see the link button right here. Then you copy the link or you copy the text. Okay, so this is going to simply work for you no matter where you're watching from. Okay, so this is basically how you can actually monetize your Facebook. And if you want me to make a detailed video for other platforms, Instagram, TikTok, just make sure you drop it down in the comment section. Then I'm going to simply make a subsequent video for that. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and join us in our Telegram channel to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next one.